welcome back to Andy&Han. For today's video, we are doing
well, Hannah's doing an ab progression and I'm recording, but I'm gonna explain a little bit about like ab progression and why it's so important. So an ab progression, you're gonna literally do abs, you know, for like 5 minutes straight. Very little resting. I mean, obviously it's okay to rest if you need to rest, but very little resting. What that's gonna do is you're gonna have your core activated the entire time. You're gonna be working the core and you're doing high reps. You're doing your body weight, so you're just gonna get that. That's how you get lean core, and that's like, you know, everyone wants that lean body core. Woo. So yeah, we're just gonna cut to the video.
check out this ab progression, guys.
So to start this ab progression, you can get on a mat or on a carpet or on some kind of soft floor. And we're gonna go down and you're gonna go into a crunch. And when you're crunching, you wanna breathe out as you go up. Bringing oxygen to your abs and flexing as you go up as well. Now we're gonna bring our knees up, shoulders off the ground, and then we're gonna crunch with our knees up. My knees are 90 degrees, no less, no more, and same thing. You're still breathing out as you go up and in as you go down, flexing your abs. Now we're gonna take our feet up and we're gonna extend our opposite fingertips to our opposite foot. Same thing, breathing out as we go up. I'm staying flexed and tight the whole time. Now we're gonna go down, put your hands underneath your lower back, and we're gonna go down and up. Breathing out as you go down and up. Press your lower back against the floor. The goal of this is to not let your lower back leave off the ground. So if this is as low as you can go, that's as low as you can go. My arms are tight. And then we're going to bring our knees back in. And we're going to go right back to that crunch. You crunch up, and your knees are 90 degrees. Your abs are tight. Flexing your core, breathing out as you go up. So now we're going to go into bicycles. Opposite knee to opposite elbow. And then your shoulders are lifted off the ground. Breathing in and out. Making sure your breathing is steady in and out. Fully extending your legs. You should start to feel it. I'm feeling it. Hold. So now we're holding, we're flexing. This is painful, but worth it because you're gonna feel it. So now we're gonna take this elbow and go to the opposite knee, flexing your core, keeping it tight, breathing out as you go up. Oxygen to the abs is so important. And then switch. Shoulders stay off the ground. Ooh, this is hurting my core, but I feel it. Now we're gonna bring our knees in and feet down, and we're gonna work on our obliques here. We're gonna go left and right heel touches. For these, my shoulders are off the ground, my head is up, and I'm really reaching, breathing, and flexing, reaching to those heels as far as I can touch. Breathing out, bringing oxygen to the core. This is gonna help with your love handles, your sides. Oh, my obliques are burning. Keep going, keep going. That's good, it's a good kind of pain. Now we're gonna bring our knees up, and we're going to, once we lifted our feet up, we got our neck up, our shoulders off the ground, we're going to lift up and breathe as you go up. So breathe out. Knees are at 90 degrees, flexing as you go up. Now we're going to put our hands underneath our lower back to give you some lower back stability if you have lower back pain, because this can be painful to your lower back, but we're going to give it some stability, and we're going to go down kind of like before, but we're going to flutter. So this is little movements, fast. Breathing out and in. Very tight core flexed. We're almost done. In, out, in, breathe. It's getting hard, but we're almost done. You got 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Done. Stretch it out. Extend. Breathe. Elongate your abs. Awesome. Good job, guys. That was a really great ab progression, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and really felt it, and your core was tight. You were breathing throughout that exercise and really feeling it. So, thanks, guys.
All right, we have finished the ab progression. We have finished the ab progression, and I think it went super well. It is a hard workout, but you're not giving your core a break, so it's really effective.
Yes. She kicked butt. She's got ass! I don't want to punch her really hard. I've done that before and it was bad for Andy. Andy got in trouble. So yeah, guys, repeat that 2-3 times a week. And or more, but you know, I don't suggest.
I do an ab workout, like a 4-minute ab workout every night. Just get done with.
Well, you know.
That's
if you're not a psycho, then 2-3 times a week. If you're feeling a little...
You will see the progress that you put in. The more work you put in, the more and the faster you're going to see results.
It's that simple. It's important to breathe. Hannah was talking about that. Breathing activates the core when you're breathing, allowing oxygen to get into that area. That's key.
That's why when you see me breathing out in my workout videos on Instagram too, when I breathe out, like you're supposed to, that's giving your muscles oxygen and like helping them grow more.
Also, if you hold your breath, you'll pass out and get hurt. So just breathe. Breathe when you're working out. Try keeping that core as tight as possible throughout the workout. If you need to take a break, obviously just take a break. But try to follow along with Hannah. Do this workout, kick butt.
And let us know what you thought about the progression of me talking throughout the video. It's a different style of workout videos that we've done before. Normally I'm just kind of running it through and putting the words on the screen, but this time I actually talked through it. worked you through it. It's a quick little video for you to watch at home, at the gym. You can do it anywhere. That's what I love about it. I love getting workouts done at home if I don't have time to go to the gym, or if I'm at the gym propping up my phone and just putting a video on. I don't care who's watching because I'm working out. That's what I'm supposed to be there for. So I hope you guys liked it. Let us know what you thought about me kind of talking through the video.
One more thing. If you're sore the next day, that's good. Because soreness is just pain leaving the body. So, boom. Eventually, you're not going to feel that soreness.
Yes.
Words of wisdom.
Words of wisdom by Andrew. Let us know what you guys thought and what other kind of workout videos that you want us to make next. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. You know, for us to keep making videos, it helps to hear you guys' support. We love that you're watching, and we see that you're watching, so the more you're liking and commenting and letting us know and subscribing, that helps us a ton and keeps us like, keep going and make more stuff for you guys. So let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Ciao.